Hi there, this is Monoar Hossain from Wix Web Expert. If you are looking for a Wix website designer, then this is me. I am verified on Wix Marketplace. If I will go to my Marketplace account, then you can see this is my Marketplace account and I am verified on Wix. And I am offering currently a general business website within $99, and you can see this is my website, and here is an introduction video why our solution is best. And I have some of the couple of the people to work with me, and here is my client reviews, so you can check my client reviews and you can check everything, and you can check my YouTube channel as well. There you are seeing the video now. I provide some of the tips and tricks for my clients and some of the Wix website designers. I am helping them. And as well as if you will go to my website portfolio, then you can see here some of the websites that I have done for my client. And if you will click visit live site, then you can see here the live website that I have done for my client. This website is expired maybe, and you can check here the drone website, Rock Robotics. And here I have some of the couple of the projects that I have done for my client with Wix and using Wix Studio Editor. And if you will go to the client review page, then you can see here my all of the clients video reviews, so you will be more confident about me. And here is the packages, so here is the Wix Classic Editor. Under the Wix Classic Editor, you can see here what I am offering for the Wix Basic Editor. Here I have 3 packages. This is for only one page. Generally I charge 300 USD, but currently I am offering a general website like a home, about, contact and services only for 99 USD. And then if you will go to the Studio Editor, if you want to make an advanced website with Wix using Wix Studio Editor, then I have the Wix Studio Editor package as well. You may let me know about that. And if you will go to under the theme, I have some of the theme under the Classic and Studio Editor. If you will go to the Studio, then you can see here some of the e-commerce themes. You may choose the themes from here as well. And the contact us option, you may fill up this forum and you can send me directly message to my WhatsApp, so we can communicate and we can start your project. Otherwise, if you want to talk with me about your project, then you can schedule a meeting here with me, so we can talk about that. And if you will go to under the blog, there have some of the Wix tips and tricks here, so you may follow them. And here is my Wix Marketplace account. You may visit my Wix Marketplace account. You can see the reviews, what I have done for my client. And under the shop, I was just trying the a print on demand as well. You may choose the t-shirt from here as well. This is an extra things. So hopefully you understand how I provide the things and everything. So if you are interested to create your Wix website, or if you have currently a website and you want to redesign that, most of the part I am doing the redesigning things because I would like to take the challenge. So I am not only providing the website, I am doing the SEO as well. Like as for my website, I have done the search engine optimization. If anyone search on Google with Wix Expert, then you can see my website is listed there. So I'm doing the one page SEO. So if you want a complete website like as the website and search engine optimization, I will create a fully SEO optimized website for you that will rank on Google, and you will be listed on the Google, and I will check your website accessibility and all of the things. Wix have a good tools that's called Wix Wiz, so you can use Wix Wiz to do the search engine optimization that I have used for my own website as well. So yeah, if you have a Wix website or you want to create a new website and you don't know how to start, so you can start with 99 USD with me. Hopefully I can give you the best solution for your website, for your business. And I'm doing the landing page as well, like as after done your full website, when you are going to do the Google ads or meta ads to grow or to get the sales from your website. So I will create the landing page for you as well, I mean the sales funnel page for you, so you can do the ads with your website as well within. And I have that as well. If anyone click let's get started, then you can see this is my landing page. If I do the Google ads or meta ads, then I use this landing page. They are it's abide by some of the marketing rules to get sales from there. So yeah, I can give you look like that very fast loading website for your website, for your business. So why you are waiting, I will do your website design, your website redesign. If you want to move your website from any other platform to Wix, so I can assist you with all of them. So why you are waiting now, just send me a message and we can start only for 99 USD. See you on the meeting or on my WhatsApp. Thank you so much. Bye for now.